Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the warrior within. Ladies and gentlemen, to be a warrior at heart is not to conquer others, but to rise above oneself. It is the strength to feel deeply and still move, to break and still rise, to doubt and yet act. This silent resilience is the hidden current that has carried humanity through ages, cultures, and civilizations. Whether in solitude of a seeker, the struggle of a mother, the perseverance of a scientist, or the discipline of an ancient samurai, the warrior within speaks the same language: persistence against all odds. Modern science affirms what ancient wisdom long declared. Resilience is the true alchemy of life. The brain, through neuroplasticity, rewires after adversity, shaping new patterns of strength. The heart, when brought into coherence, steadies the body and clears the mind. The body, when nurtured, becomes a vessel not of survival alone, but of higher purpose. Beyond this physical design lies the dimension of consciousness, the silent field connecting human effort to cosmic order. To recognize and align with this field is to draw from the inexhaustible reservoir of divine energy. Humanity is not isolated. It is part of a living cosmic system where guidance flows for those who seek and are receptive. The Japanese warriors of old lived by codes, not only of combat but of cultivation, discipline of body, clarity of mind, and elevation of spirit. The revered Bhagavad Gita echoes the same truth. The real battle is inward, and the true victory lies in harmonizing duty with divine guidance. The cosmos itself affirms this rhythm. Stars collapse only to burn brighter. Rivers cut through rock, not by force, but by constancy. This is the law of persistence, the eternal assurance that renewal follows collapse, clarity follows confusion, and strength follows surrender. To live by this law is to embody the essence of the warrior within. What's the way forward? In a world clouded by speed and uncertainty, the path forward is neither denial nor escape, but conscious alignment of health, mind, and spirit. First, strength of body. Care for health as sacred armor through balanced nourishment, sunshine, rest, and mindful movement. Second, clarity of mind. Train thought through silence, reflection, and meditation. A clear mind is the sharpest sword. Third, wisdom of emotion. See vulnerability not as weakness, but as the wellspring of compassion and resilience. Fourth, alignment with spirit. Connect with divine cosmic energy, the universal intelligence guiding existence. Such connection transforms solitude into companionship. Fifth, persistence in purpose. Walk the righteous path with steadiness. Persistence itself, more than outcomes, shapes destiny. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the prevalent Bhagavad Gita proclaims, wherever there is Krishna, the Lord of Yoga, and wherever there is Arjuna, the supreme archer, there surely will be prosperity, victory, happiness, and firm justice. These words are not bound to the battlefield of Kurukshetra. They are timeless. They remind every soul that when readiness meets divine guidance, both inner and outer battles can be won. The warrior within is thus never alone. To live as a warrior at heart is to embrace the law of persistence, to endure, to act, to rise, while knowing that the eternal hand of guidance walks beside. Such is the path of clarity, balance, and grace. Such is the song of the timeless human spirit. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.